But this degree, 52 degree almost. Huh? Here. We'll measure here, right? How much? From this was 0. This is 0. 48, huh? How much? 58.
48 or 58 সুভাষ 48
Yeah. Right? But also parallel to the foot, this one. Like this. But if you are not sure, you can do it in a supine position. Can you change in the supine position? I think it's easier to measure like this. It's easier to measure like this. Like this, right? Almost 65, right? Yeah, 65. No, we were not sure on the pelvic flexion, it was not visible. The 65 is the normal range of motion, okay?
we should